Hello kids, welcome to our channel. In this video we are practicing 2D shapes. We will draw 2D shapes and we will color them. प्यारे बच्चों, इस वीडियो में हम 2D shapes बनाएंगे और उसको कलर करेंगे. Before drawing 2D shapes, let's learn about some colors. We have clay dough. This is, guess the color. Which color is this? Yes, this is orange color. This is orange color. This is sky blue color. Which color? Do you like it? This is sky blue color. Here I have yellow color. Here another color is, yes, guess the color. This is black color. And this color is white color. Dark brown color, it is brown color. Pink color, this one is pink color. And parrot green color, this is parrot green or light green color. Let's start drawing 2D shapes. I'm going to draw a circle. I can also draw it without anything, as I have done too much practice. But for you, you can just use any circular thing. Like here is an holder, a light holder, a bulb holder. So I'm just drawing a circle. You can draw it like this. With any circular thing, you can draw a circle. This is a circle. To draw an oval shape, you have to oval shape. Here it is a circle, it is oval shape. This is Pentagon. Pentagon, 5 sides. Let's draw a square. To draw a square, this is a square. And now I'm drawing a star. This is a star. This is a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Let's color these 2D shapes. This is red color. Let's color the circle. Red color circle. Another color, that is yellow color. Let's color the oval shape. This is dark green color. Let's color the pentagon. Full pentagon, 5 sides. Let's use red color. We are coloring a square. This is red color. And now I'm going to change the color to yellow. And yellow plus red is equal to orange. You will also learn here. Yellow color and now the yellow color is mixed with red color. Here you can see it will turn into orange. Wow, so beautiful. So our square has 3 different colors. Can you see it? Yellow color, orange color and red color. So the square has 3 different colors. Let's color the star. This part is orange color. Orange, yellow and red color. Let's choose another color, that is violet color. Violet color to draw a triangle. This is a triangle. क्या है बच्चों? Triangle. The color is violet color. Violet color triangle. Are you doing the same practice? क्या आप भी ड्रा कर रहे हो बच्चों? Violet color triangle. Dear kids, do the same practice. Like this video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.